We're gonna try out some new foods with Amara and see which one she likes. We have mashed potatoes. Let's use a spoon. I think you like this, huh? Let's move on to dessert. Now, strawberry time. No? Oh, there you go. Thank you. Okay. Yes, ma'am. We have some applesauce. And now for the bottle. Ooh. Looks like we got a winner. She liked all of them. Comment down below and share what your littles like to eat. Follow us for our next video. See you guys soon.